Hello, amazing folks. Welcome to another episode of Trivia Talks, and I hope you are staying safe and staying healthy during this tough time. In this episode of Trivia Talks, we have an interesting guest with us who will be talking about an interesting topic too. Her name is Khushbu Trivedi. She is tarot card reader by profession. She is also a sub-editor in one of the leading media group. She is doing tarot card reading since last 2 years, and in this episode, Khushbu will be talking about her journey as a tarot card reader, also giving tips to us regarding how to overcome depression with the help of spirituality and meditation. She will be also predicting the end of coronavirus. So yes, this entire conversation is going to be a bit interesting. So without any further delay, let's start the discussion with Khushbu. So, hello Khushbu, welcome to Trivia Talks, and we are very happy to have you on Trivia Talks. So, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Tarun, for inviting me over here.
Yeah. So, Khushbu, before we talk about the topic which we decided, I just want to know, like, how are you spending your time during this lockdown, and how are you, managing this lockdown?
Okay, Tarun, when this lockdown thing happened, I didn't have any idea that what I will be doing. Okay, but one thing was very confirmed that I will spend this time for myself. It was very confirmed since the start. Okay, and what I did in the
Mm-hmm.
lockdown, I did learn so many things. I did learn astrology in my tarot cards. I'm still learning that. A part of that, I did learn crystal dowsing. I did learn angel therapy, and I'm practicing
Okay.
all these things, and I'm practicing healing, and I'm learning new things from the tarot card with the tarot cards, new experiments, new learnings, meeting new people.
Mm-hmm.
I did conduct many sessions on Instagram as well.
Okay.
So it was a learning process for me, and lockdown was not at all boring for me.
Okay. Okay, that's great actually. So yeah, talking about the tarot card thing, how actually your journey started with tarot card, and like how are you managing tarot card and also your job, which is like in the media industry?
Yes, I do have a job in media industry, and that is equally important for me as a
Mm-hmm.
tarot cards. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
both the things are equally
Okay.
important for me. And about my tarot card journey, so my tarot card journey started in 2018. Technically it was started in 2018, but the
Mm-hmm.
way I started was like I was going through darkest period of my life, and I did not have any idea that what I should do, where I should go, and how to manage. I was not clear about many things. And one fine day in those
Mm-hmm.
times, I was sleeping in the night. It was like 3 a.m. in the morning, and I was having a dream.
Mm-hmm.
In the dream, I am sitting with a person, and we are playing cards, normal cards. And
Okay.
suddenly, four card came, and she was a tarot card reader. She is still a tarot card reader. And I asked her that, can we
Mm-hmm.
do tarot card reading with the playing cards? She was like, yes, absolutely, we can do it.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, okay, tell me, what is the meaning of these cards I'm getting? It was like Ace of Heart,
Mm-hmm.
and so many cards were there. And
Yeah.
she was very sure about the answer that the cards you are getting, those are saying that you will get an opportunity in fashion field. I was shocked. I was like, I don't have
Okay.
any kind of
Mm-hmm.
connection with fashion field. How it will be possible? She's like, it will be possible.
Mm-hmm.
Just give it a time. I was like, okay. And then next day, I
Mm-hmm.
woke up, I was checking my Facebook, and I had two messages in my
Okay.
Facebook message with saying
Mm-hmm.
that we have seen your profile
Mm-hmm.
and we need a person who can photo shoot for us.
Wow. Okay. Like it
That
exactly happened again.
Yes. So I was very shocked with that, how it is even possible. Then immediately I called that
Mm-hmm.
person who who were with me in my dream. I called her that, dear, this has happened and I want to meet you. She was like, okay, we will meet. And then
Mm-hmm.
next day we met, and I told her that this has happened. She told me that it was your subconscious mind. I was there because I am a tarot card reader, and the dream is saying you should learn tarot cards, and it was your subconscious mind that was telling you the truth. It was showing you that what is going to happen to you. So you must learn tarot cards.
Okay.
And I was like, yeah, I want to learn that too. And then in the June 2018, I did learn tarot cards, and my journey got started.
Mm-hmm. It's amazing. So how you exactly started your journey with tarot card? Like there's some learning. If someone want to start reading those tarot card and want to make it as a profession.
Okay, first of all, we all says and we all believe in one thing, that we don't choose tarot cards. Tarot card
Mm-hmm.
chooses us.
Okay.
Okay, if we are able to do it, if we are capable enough to handle those energies, handle those knowledge, handle that wisdom,
Mm-hmm.
what tarot card has, then tarot card will come to you. And Tarun,
Okay.
one thing I want to tell you, that tarot card,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to make a tarot card reading as a profession, don't go for it.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Okay.
whenever you think that you can make a tarot card a profession, or you can earn money out
Mm-hmm.
of it, and you only have one
Mm-hmm.
goal, that you want to earn money out of tarot cards, you will never be able to do that. Because it is
Very true.
something
Yeah.
very special, and it is a divine knowledge, which
Mm.
is like passed by so many wise people since so many centuries.
Mm.
So that is very important, that you accept it as a divination tool. You accept it to explore your life
Mm-hmm.
journey. You accept it to help people. You accept it to know things. But
Mm-hmm.
if you are thinking that you will earn money out of it, that art will be gone for good from you.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So anybody wants to become a tarot card reader, or if they think that we are attracted to
Mm-hmm.
that, so they definitely should go for learning it. You know why? Because if you are thinking that, even if you have that urge to learn that, that means it is your calling at some point.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not for the lifetime, but for the some time it will help you for sure. It is your calling for temporary basis or permanent basis. You definitely give it a try. And one thing is very important, that you learn from the proper guru or proper person who at least have experience of 10 years in tarot card reading.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We actually need a very good guru for that, and it's a very, in-depth, you can say, knowledge-based work. So, who was your guru for the entire journey? Like, from whom you are learning as of now?
uh, right now I'm learning from a person who stays in Punjab, and his name is Punit. But my initial journey, when I
Okay.
started tarot card reading, and that girl who came to my dream, uh, her name is Shweta.
Mm-hmm.
And she is like, she was a very good to
Okay.
me. And for 2 years she was with me.
Yeah.
And for 2 years she guided
Mm-hmm.
me in my way. But sometimes what happens is, when you are done with learning that
Mm-hmm.
particular person, you get moved on, and everybody get. So in this journey you will
Right.
get so many gurus. You need to learn and you need to move on. So that is what happening to me.
That's great.
Hmm.
So we also see that tarot card readers solve problem of other people for sure by reading their cards, right?
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
currently we are in such a situation where entire world is in a problem, right? So when I talk
Yes.
about all the tarot card readers from all around the world, did you guys predicted, like, do you have any idea, like anyone at any part of the country have predicted about this pandemic or about coronavirus by reading tarot card?
Okay. Tarun, I didn't do it, and but
Okay.
I will tell you one story about this. Me and
Okay.
my
Okay.
friends, like my tarot card reader group, we were sitting in the November
Mm-hmm.
2019. We were sitting and we were discussing about tarot cards, and we were reading for us, and we were predicting, or we were seeing that what is going to be in 2020. So we were
Mm-hmm.
discussing, and
Mm-hmm.
you won't believe, everybody's cards was same, that 2020 is going to be very huge change, and it will change people lives upside down.
Okay.
Okay, so we predicted that, but we never post it on
Yeah.
anywhere, or we never did it in public, but we did it for us. Yes, it was
Mhm.
there that 2020 will be a huge change, and everybody get what they have done past year in past years. It this is the year of results.
Okay.
Yes,
So you predicted by reading the cards.
yes.
Wow. So if I talk about the end of this particular pandemic, do you have any such reading or prediction regarding the end of this particular pandemic?
Okay, I personally checked. I never posted it anywhere. I personally checked when this started in
Mhm.
India. When first lockdown happened,
Yeah.
I checked my card and cards
Mhm.
were showing September.
Okay, so it will end in September.
Yes, September, my cards were showing September since start. Like it, so many people were saying 6 weeks, so many people were saying like 15 days, 21st April, this date, those date. So many people were giving so many dates. But
Mhm.
my cards were always be like September. And I don't know,
Okay. Mhm.
so in the September something will happen, the effect of this will get down. It will not be like, it will not be vanished, but the effect will go down.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. Wow,
Yeah.
that's a very good news for all of us. If it ends in September, or if we find some very interesting news, that's amazing. Talking about the journey of your as a tarot card reader, no doubt we need a guru for that. Okay. Apart from that, we also need a particular mental mindset, right? And
Hmm.
this is the time where spirituality and meditation come into picture, right?
Hmm.
So I just want to know a bit more about spirituality, like how you think, what exactly spirituality is, and give us a small brief about it.
Okay, when we talk about spirituality, spirituality, a word
Mhm.
came from the word spiritual. So if we separate
Okay.
a word spiritual, it is spirit plus ritual.
Mm,
Spirit is a soul
mm,
and ritual
yeah.
is rituals. So
Mm,
what rituals we do with our spirit, with our soul, is a spirituality for us.
okay.
So
Yeah.
spirit, what ritual you are doing with your soul, what you are feeding your soul, what you
Mm,
are like, what you're feeding your soul, what you're, how you're treating your soul, it is spirituality for me. And you know
mhm.
in these times, lockdown, especially if you'll see the lockdown period,
Yeah.
so many people have committed
Mhm.
suicide,
Exactly.
right? So
That
my
mental
question is
pressure is
why.
there. Yeah.
I'll tell you, mental stress was always there.
Mm,
Okay, in the film
yeah.
industry or in any
Mm,
kind of corporates or everywhere, the stress is the highest at this moment. But in
mm,
this lockdown, what happened? In the lockdown, people were sitting with their selves. People had to see into themselves. People had to face their bad stuff, their good stuff. They had to talk with themselves. And it was time to face the reality. And when you have to face
mm.
the reality, many people cannot handle that reality, because we are always
Right.
a people who thinks that things are happening because
Mhm.
of somebody else. But when you talk to
True.
yourself, you realize that it was happening because
Mm.
of us, because of a person itself. And that reality is very dangerous, it is very scary. Many people cannot handle that, and that is why suicides are happening.
Yeah, this anxiety, this loneliness, this depression is very common, and it can be for any reason, from thinking about the career path, or you marriage, or family, or overall this health issue which is going on as of now. So we all have somehow having, directly or indirectly, we are in depression for sure. But if I talk about spirituality and meditation, can you suggest something, or do you like to highlight some points by the help of which we as at an individual level can minimize these depression, anxiety, loneliness issues?
Yes, Tarun, we can talk about it and we
Yeah.
should talk about it. You know what? In
Hmm.
this lifetime, in this lifestyle especially, we are running behind money, we are running behind fame, we are running behind success. But to
Hmm.
achieve those things, we go from stress, depression, because if you want to achieve something, you need to fight with so many things. People get tired in that fighting period.
Hmm.
Why? Because they are not facing the reality, they are not accepting the reality. So what you can do to accept it, what you can do to make
Hmm.
it little lighter, what you can do to make your fights little bit manageable,
Yeah.
right? To every listener who is listening this podcast at this moment, I would like to tell all of them
Hmm.
that be grateful for
Hmm.
everything you have. Every night before you are going to bed, sit down,
Hmm.
close your eyes, and be thankful for everything you went through the day. Whatever the bad, the good, the air, the water, the fire, the
Hmm.
sun, the sky, the rain, the nature, your surroundings, your
Right.
family, your friends, your work, your pet, even
Hmm.
your scooter or your car. Be grateful to everything you
Hmm.
have. That will make a huge difference in your life within
Yeah.
1 week.
Yeah, that's very true. That's very true. Talking about meditation or this exercise of your, it's very important that we should, be thankful, and we should be more into giving part, not into the taking part, right? But while doing the meditation, many of them fail in the initial time of their life, right? If I'm doing
Hmm.
meditation for 1 week, I will not survive for the next week because it's getting very difficult for me, right? So is there any easier process that we should, practice this thing so that it can be a continuous path for all of us? We should not end it at a certain level.
Okay. Tarun, for what you have
Mm.
asked, you need to make it your lifestyle. Okay. Because food is
Okay.
our
Yeah.
need, right? Food is our need. We need to eat. We need to drink
Right.
water. We need to breathe.
Mm.
Meditation should be a
Mm.
part of your life like that.
Mhm.
You need to meditate. We neglect it
Mm.
so much. Our mental health, we neglect it so much. We are not facing
Mhm.
our mental health, we are not facing our own dilemmas, we are not facing our own realities because it scares us. And that is why meditation
True.
does not get last long for many people. Because what meditation do to you, I'll tell you, when you do meditate for a week,
Mhm.
you get aware of many things, and people are not ready for that awareness, and that is why they leave it.
Right.
Okay, so you need to make it a
Very true.
lifestyle. And what you can do is, for a starting
Mm.
period, who just want to do meditate or just want to be
Mm.
free from the all the stress, and they just want to relax through meditation, what they can do, just sit, close your eyes, put your
Yes.
hands with palm upside
Mm.
on your thighs, and
Mm.
take 3 deep
Okay.
breaths, and do 5 omkar.
Omkar.
5 omkar, not more than that, only 5. Okay, this
Okay.
will be a very powerful
Mm.
technique to be relaxed, and this can
Mhm.
be done any time of the day.
Amazing. We should follow this. Yeah. Talking about this entire journey of tarot card reading, spirituality, meditation, and also handling your job, uh, which is the part which you are enjoying the most? Like when is the time which you are enjoying while doing meditation or while reading cards in front of people, or also while working in your office? So, which is the most interesting part in your life as of now?
Tarun, you will be surprised to know that I'm in the state of joy 24 by 7.
Wow.
Yes. You know why? Because all the things I'm doing, I'm very much aware of it. I'm very much aware of everything I'm
Okay.
doing. I'm doing meditation, I'm doing tarot card reading, I'm doing job, I'm doing work, I'm doing editing work, I'm doing writing work. Everything I'm doing, I can
Mhm.
enjoy that, because I am joyful inside. and that is what important. And people seek happiness outside, and that is why they get stressed.
Right. Yeah, actually, that is the lesson which we all should understand. And it's not about, tarot card reading, or it's not about a particular thing which, so like it was your calling and you are enjoying it. There might be some other calling for all of us. It can be some in other profession, and we need to understand that calling, and like neglecting all the rumors which are over there in the society, or all the negativity which is over there in the society. We should focus on the part which is helpful for us. And by your journey, it feel very nice to understand that how actually you are enjoying 24 into 7, and you are managing each and everything very smoothly, without getting without blaming the life, and without talking any negative thing about any particular part. That was the best answer which I can get from you. Yeah.
Yes, Tarun, why? Uh, what
Hmm.
happens
Hmm.
is people nowadays people says that very so much negativity is out there in the society, so much stress is out there in the
Hmm.
office, so much stress our people are giving.
Hmm.
But my question is,
Right.
they all are giving. Why you are taking it? Okay, it is your point of view, and it is your selection. If you have like, if you don't like the
Hmm.
sweet, some sweet thing, you will not eat that. It is your choice, right? So if somebody is throwing negativity to you, it is
Right.
up to you if you want to take it. Hmm.
Exactly. Yeah, so with this, we would like to end this podcast, and it was very nice talking to you and knowing about your journey, Khushbu. And I hope that with each and every aspect of your life, we all will be learning a lot of stuff. And those who are the listeners, they will be also, visiting your profile and asking you various questions in which they are stuck in their life, because we all need a guide and we all need a guru who can help us in this tough time of pandemic. And also there are certain other problems which is going with every of them. So yeah, it was lovely talking to you, and thank you so much for taking out time for this podcast of ours. And it really means a lot to have you on the show.
Thank you so much, Tarun. I am feeling so good that so many people is going to hear this conversation, and they will get a
Yeah.
little bit positivity from our session, and they will have an idea that if they are stressed, it is okay to be in
Hmm.
stress. There is always a way to come out of it. And anybody
Yeah.
needs my help or wants to know anything about tarot card reading, they can visit my Instagram profile, which is Khushbu Tarot, KHUSHBU
Yeah.
TAROT,
Okay.
and
Hmm.
I will answer
Yeah.
as soon as possible. Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you
Great. They will
so
be
much
visiting
for
you for
having me
sure.
here. It was nice
Yeah.
talking to you.
Thank you so much, Khushbu. Thank you so much for joining. Well, that's all from today's episode. I hope you have liked it. In case if you have any suggestion or feedback, you can reach out to me at various social media handle. I'm adding the link in the description. We will be coming with such amazing and inspiring podcasts every week, so stay tuned and stay safe.